This is Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's a 12 by 12 inch canvas. And this is some leftover paint. House paint, in fact. I'm going to start by putting a puddle of PPG Speed Hide house paint on my canvas. And with any luck at all, spinning it out. At least for a little ways. I put 25% GAC 800 in there because I was having cracking issues, which I figured out some things to do. Oh, I see there's something in there that needs to come out. Right there. If I can catch it before it settles in again. No, I can't. Got it this time. They disappear back in if you... as the paint settles. So I'm going to use basically transfer and then some Prizm Pours and some Primary Elements. Let me grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Oh, I just saw a lump of something. I will try and find the colors from the videos where I made the paintings that these came from. They are Sherwin Williams leftovers, along with a little bit of PPG. And I'm having way too much fun experimenting these days. That is mucky. But I don't think it's going to remain, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to start with a little Pixie dust, which is a primary element. But I'm pretty sure it's very iridescent. I may swipe a little bit. This is some true silver. No rhyme or reason to what I'm doing at this point. Some interference violet. I always wanted to do that. A little interference red. It's nice that these are still looking, I had them shaken recently, so I have no idea what's going to happen now. This is a brand new idea for me. I have a combination of Boysenberry and ginger flower primary elements, which might be nice to swipe with. I have some Pebeo iridescent blue-green. Oh, this says it has Floetrol and GAC 800 in it. No matter what we get, I'm going to try and make it into something. This is Carnival, a really awesome color. Primary element. Now, I think I would like to just swipe right now before I do any cell activator, because I have found that the PPG sells with the Sherwin Williams, and I want to see what it's going to do without any cell activator. It may not do anything, which means we can add some cell activator and not a problem. I'm going to wipe that off. I'm not seeing anything. I am going to hit that really quick, even though I'm not supposed to. I could just spin that out and be pretty happy, actually. I like the colors. I should spin it out for a second. And then I'm going to use some black from Atelier and some rich gold from Atelier. I wish I'd bought some silver. Chances are good I will do something similar to that again, because I like it. Only I do have turquoise. I have phthalo turquoise, which I'm going to use some of if it'll open. It's open easily. And then I've got Pebeo Iridescent blue-green, which should be really interesting. Maybe just a drop, whoops, maybe a little drop of that black. So far so good. One more go round, I'm thinking, before I spin again. I'm going to lose a lot of really cool things. I love that turquoise. I think I'm going to change the order and do the Pebeo blue-green, iridescent blue-green first, and the phthalo turquoise after. And I'm going to skip the black, because I don't see that it did much. I might regret that. Take that paint, put it right back on the canvas. So far, so good. I want to grab a small palette knife. And maybe mess around a little bit with the black and the gold again. Take the water off first. Atelier black, Atelier rich gold. Usually there's enough paint on the palette knife to do more than one swipe, which surprised me when I first found out. I think in here is going to get something too. I have some dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby, which Master's Touch I've been wanting to try. I'm going to try a little bit of that with the Atelier Phthalo Turquoise. And then I might do some wrecking. Before spinning. So let's do a little wrecking. I don't know why I've moved all of my skewers to someplace I can't find them easily. Throw a few spirals in there. Because I can, the name of my first book on the Amazon link, next to my second book, called Unlimited Possibilities. Where else? Anything else? I'm kind of wanting some more gold. Let's just do some more gold, because I don't see a whole lot of it. This is usually where I start craving some orange. Oops, that was unplanned. Not sure. I'm 100% on that. Use a little black again. Finally wasting paint. All right, here goes nothing. No, I can't do it yet. I gotta try and do some wrecks. At least in the center. I do like the way they look. Once I've got myself over the misconception that they're going to be too much. And the paint is looking nice and thin. I do actually love the way they look. I think that gray area is going to be less than cooperative. But I also think it's probably going to get spun right off. So this is pretty. Let's go. Ed is waiting for painting. Ed made my turntable. Made my spinner, not my turntable. The turntable came from my Amazon link. My Amazon link is in the link tree. The link tree is under Show More, under the video. Under the 20% off Colour Arte coupon code for affiliates to offer up a discount. That's pretty cool. I like that. And the cells will continue to develop because there's Australian Floetrol in there. I think if I want marks, I'm going to have to actually use the fat end of my skewer. There. I like all the things about that, and I can actually get down there and shimmer that at you. I'm going to spin it out one more time. Whether that's a good idea or not, I don't know, but I know the thinner I make my paint, the more likely I am to be able to keep a painting from cracking, even though I do use GAC 800. One more time. I never thought I was going to be somebody who loved to spin so much, but the spinner with arms makes all the difference in the world. Just add our spirals back in again where we need to. They will fill in. Okay, so good colors. Thank you for being here. I have over 2,600 videos you can find on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. There's a fair amount of gray in there, but I actually do like it anyway. Some of it was silver, of course. I don't know what's going to shimmer when we try, but it's going to be fun to try. I see that I want to add one more spiral right in there. So there's 3, because there were 2 and the eye didn't move right. Part of me just wants to put some bright colors on there and swipe over it again. But I do actually like it. It's just subtle. So if you'd ever like to see some of my artwork added to pixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6, spring clothing under the video, anything like that, please just ask and I can add things. I really want something brighter in the middle there. I wonder how much time I've got left. Now I think I'm going to be happy with I love gray and pink together and purple and turquoise, so I guess I'm good. Took me a minute. And sometimes it takes me more than a minute. Sometimes it takes me till the next day. Maybe if I'd have spun out less, but I think if I'd spun out less, I would have much better chance of cracking than I do now. All right, I'm going to clean up. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you for considering a membership, $9.99 a month, and all kinds of hopefully new and cool free to members only videos and tutorials, and we'll see what happens behind the scenes and mixtures and tools, studio tours, stuff like that. Let me know what you think. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Please leave me a message in comments and I'll get back to you. And thank you for boosting my morale. My Amazon link is on the link tree. If I didn't mention, I think I did. And that's under Show More, along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Thank you for checking out my PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And if you make a donation, you'll be loved forever. Oh gosh, I do sound desperate. I'm sorry. My paint pouring recipes should be below the video. And I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And I do sell my artwork. So if you'd like to get in touch with me, use my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. It's time for me to clean up. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Whatever I forgot, you'll see in another video. Oh, I have 2,600 videos on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists when you go to my channel. Or you can ask me because I have them organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. And whatever I forgot, you'll see in another video. All right. Bye for now. Priscilla out.